Meet Frank. Frank has water everywhere and mold on his walls. Well, Frank knows that if he doesn't get help quickly, serious consequences like bacteria grow, mold spores, carpets and wood floors being permanently destroyed, electrical hazards, health problems. Frank needs a local water damage and mold professional fast, but there are so many choices. Frank needs help. Then Frank heard about ZippyRestore.com. ZippyRestore.com is a nationwide network of certified restoration pros that specialize in cleanup and restoration after a disaster. Selecting an experienced restoration pro takes seconds, is 100% free. ZippyRestore.com offers live help 24/7, nationwide network of certified restoration pros, a library of helpful tips about the restoration process. Frank called the toll-free number and selected a certified restoration pro in his area in seconds. Try ZippyRestore.com today. 100% free connection. Certified Restoration Pro. Visit ZippyRestore.com. Click on the instant pricer and get connected to a restoration expert today.